Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to set up a personal movie production scheduler in Airtable. First things first, open up Airtable and create a new blank base. This is like starting with a clean slate where we can build our own customized scheduler. Now that we've done that, let's add a table named Projects. Here, we'll track all our movie projects. We add this table because it allows us to have a clear overview of what's going on in our production pipeline. In the Projects table, create columns for project name, status, start date, end date, and budget. This helps us because it ensures we capture all necessary details for our movie projects in one place. Next up, let's add another table named Tasks. This will help us break down each project into manageable parts. In this table, create columns for task name, project, assigned to, due date, and status. The reason we do this is to keep track of individual tasks, their deadlines, and whom they're assigned to, improving our overall organization. Now let's connect the projects and tasks tables by using Airtable's linked record field. This is the magic of Airtable. It allows us to interconnect our data. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you link a task to a project, any change in the project status will automatically reflect in the linked tasks. This gives us a real-time, cohesive view of our projects and tasks. Finally, let's leverage the power of Airtable's views. Create a calendar view for both projects and tasks tables. This helps us because it visually represents our movie production schedule, allowing us to see deadlines and project timelines at a glance. So there you have it. In a few simple steps, we've created a personalized movie production scheduler in Airtable. This tool will help you plan, track, and manage your movie projects efficiently. Remember, the key to effective production management is staying organized and keeping a clear overview of all your tasks and projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling.